What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, it's Reallyshar, and I am back with another video. If this is your first time watching, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you already subscribed, welcome back. Y'all, so today we're gonna be reviewing this hair. Let me get it. We're gonna be reviewing this hair from Bloom Blossom. It's basically like do-it-yourself, not do-it-yourself, but like what do you call it, y'all? It's basically it's one plait completes the whole head, y'all. Yeah. So basically we're gonna be doing it straight. I tried this hair out before and I did the wavy hair. The wavy hair, it was so soft, so pretty. It was just everything I can ask for, like as far as synthetic hair. So yeah, this is Yaki Straight, and it comes in 18, 20, and 22 inch, plus a super deep lace part closure. As you can see, this is the closure. Like the other one I used, it was a closure in there too as well. Yeah, so I might pluck this closure off camera. As you can see, these are the bundles. Let's open it up and give it a feel real quick, because this video gonna be a voiceover. I'm just getting on here real quick just to tell y'all what I'm gonna be doing before I start just doing it. Okay, so this is the hair. Look at it. Let's take this out. Let me see. Can you curl this hair? I don't think you can. It said, before washing hair, brush to remove all tangles. Start from the bottom and work it. Okay, we know all that. Okay. Wash the hair with a synthetic shampoo and lukewarm water. Apply conditionally for minutes to rinse. Okay. Pat dry with a towel or air dry. Pat dry with a towel and air dry. So yeah, these are the instructions. This is the hair bloom bundle. So let's see. Oh, it feels soft too. Yeah, this right there hair that's gonna be tangling real quick. I love this brand though. Like, I literally love this brand, y'all. I can give like a natural hair, instead of like you can tell like it's weave, because like it's unrealistic, you know, like a black girl have. Like, not saying it like that, but we don't have straight hair like that. But this give like a more feel of like, if you could look at the texture, just look and see. Like, this texture is everything, and it's soft. Look at it, my hand's going straight through it. No, like, I ain't getting no snags and none of that. Super duper cute. I can't wait to install it. So, y'all, we finna go ahead and install this hair. I already did my molding off camera. All right, I used Impro styling gel for my mold. This is like tradition, throwback. You know, I always use gel. Like, a lot of people like, I don't use gel no more. I don't do that. Look, literally when I was a teenager, this stuff right here, they diluted it a little more too though. It ain't like the same. I noticed that too, because gel used to get my hair super hard. Now my hair be super soft when it like dry. It don't be hard at all. Like, at all. And gel literally used to grow the mess out of my hair. People like, oh, you used to break my hair. This used to grow my hair. I used to keep my hair molded for like 2 weeks. Every time I did my hair, it was like every 2 weeks, and this literally used to grow my hair. I don't know what people used to break their hair out and all that stuff. Maybe because it was hard, they didn't know how to comb it out or wash it out. It's just something they was doing wrong. But this literally used to grow my hair, y'all. And Pro Styling Gel, yes, it is. And I use this for the top. It is a protective shield, so like you put this on there, it keeps the glue from touching your real hair. So when you're ready to take it out, the glue won't be in your hair. Because I don't use wave caps, or stocking caps, whatever y'all want to call it. It's pretty expensive, y'all, for this bottle. But this is what I use for a protective shield. So yeah, y'all, it's already molded. I blow dried and everything, so the video won't be too long. So I can just give y'all a quick look. But anyways, y'all, let's get straight into this video, and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Okay? And let's get straight into the video.
Your style is so fly. I can't deny. I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love, goes on and on. Give me a all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. Ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, this on Donda, on my mama, made up promise, Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the girls in her, ta, 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 ta. Try me, I deserve it. Listen to have you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work,
slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one long distance. I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on, sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You send me out there, work. You see me do my da. Tell me about that work. When you walk out, when the car from my church.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling and rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, I couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, C.
Okay, y'all, this hair is a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend this hair. Bloom bundles, y'all. So, yeah, this is something that y'all will be seeing me wear a lot. They got different patterns, wavy, all that. So, y'all, thank y'all for watching. And always remember, stay blessed and be yourself.